Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. This is going to be part 2 of building our porch.
In last week's video we dug out our foundations, backfilled the concrete, built up the bricks to DPC level and backfilled with hardcore.
Now that you're all caught up, let's get into today's video.
Right guys, so the brickwork's done, just need a pointer up, so I'm going to let that stiffen up first. Now we're going to move on to the framework. I've just quickly measured up to the underside of the tiles. That's given us our determined measurement of what we can work to. So I'm going to do some calculations now, get the right height for the framework and start cutting all the framework out.
So for this project we used 3x2 tannalized timbers. We started off by building the two side profiles ready to take the front.
This is going to be an open porch. The porch will eventually be cladded with cedar or larch. We wanted to create a small porch with a storage area.
For some of the shorter lengths of timbers we decided to use up some of the recycled timber we saved from last year. Most of these timbers were from the old rafters. So once we had the sides in place we decided to build the front section over the doorway. Once the sides and head were in place, I decided to install some brace-in just to make sure everything stayed square. So to get this frame right back to the brickwork, I had to cut out sections of the softened fascia just to allow the timber to slide past. So before we fixed the frame into the walls, we put up a DPC between the timber and the brickwork. Just as a general rule of thumb, you should never allow timber to touch masonry direct. To secure the frame in place, I used up 100mm Tapcon fixings into the sole plate and into the walls. Now we have the main framework built, we had to decide how big of a door opening we wanted. We were trying to decide how big a storage area we wanted while keeping the doorway as wide as possible.
If anyone has any recommendations of what style of door we should go for, please leave it in the comments. I am unsure whether we should have a solid door or a door with a panel on the side.
So guys, we finished this up on Sunday, it's now Tuesday evening. We're just going to put the flat roof area in ready, and then hopefully we've got time to just felt and batten it, and it's ready for cladding.
To get the little flat roof started, I put a wall plate across the face of the house ready to take the new joists. I also decided to keep the fascia inside as there's no point taking it out, and it also gives me an upstand to stick my rubber to. So now we're starting to put the felt around the porch. In previous videos while doing roofing and wrapping our office, people said this felt was terrible, but since using it we've never had a single leak and it's really good value for money. So the porch design is quite basic. We're keeping it as an open porch, and where the existing timber brown door is, this will be replaced for a new door. So to batten out this framework I used 400 centres, working my way up, making sure all my battens were square and level, ready for the cladding in future. To batten this out we used tannalised roofing batten. Join us in next week's video where we take delivery of the rubber roofing, install the aluminium capping and finish off the porch for now. And as always guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like and comment and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video.